Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are going to be unboxing my paid for December 2020 Boxycharm Base box. We got a little story time that goes along with this. I don't know what's going to be in here, and I'll tell you why in a bit. But if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. Over here, we always embrace the hot mess. By the way, my name is Rhonda, and it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, play in makeup, talk about makeup, and have a good old time forgetting about the craziness that is potentially, I don't know about you guys, but going on around us. So if you guys are curious about what is on my face, you guys, it is the full palette. My blush, my bronzer, my eye makeup, all from this palette right here. Yep, you guessed it. This is the palette we're going to be seeing in our Boxycharm premium box for January 2020. So stay tuned for that video where I'm using everything in this palette, giving you guys swatches, my opinion, all of that. It's a pretty, well, just stay tuned for that video. Anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. over there, Eastern time. Don't forget to check me out over on Instagram so we can get that 10K swipey uppy, and I can stop begging, nagging, and pleading with you guys. Tell your mama, your daddy, your friends, your brothers, your sisters, your sister-in-law. I don't care who you tell, just give your girl a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. And of course, make sure to check my daughter Hailey's channel out where she does unboxings, get ready with me's, vlogmas, all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the December 2020 Boxycharm Base box. This is the box that I do pay for. Now you're probably asking yourself, why do you have a base box, not the Luxe box? Story time. So originally I did plan on purchasing the Luxe box. I was signed up, I made my choices for it, and then I was like, I kind of feel like I'll take my chances and see if this stuff shows up in Boxy pop-up, which it did, and I was pretty excited about it. And then they came out with the variations of the different palettes that were available in the base box, and I kind of wanted any of those palettes more than I wanted the palette that was in the Luxe box. I ended up canceling my Luxe, went back to base, but of course by the time I figured all that out and, you know, my wishy-washy butt decided that I didn't want the Luxe, choices had already passed for the base. So I don't know which variation palette I got. I did not get to make my choice, and I will tell you guys, if I was able to make my choice for the Boxycharm base box for December, I would have went with the Glamnetic lashes in the natural one, which I think was called Dolly. You guys, I am loving those magnetic lashes. They're freaking amazing. And I am praying they come back to add-on or pop-up because they're stupid expensive and I want them in my life. Anywho, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Okay, so the Boxycharm base box is $25 a month, and you do typically customize one item in the box. Like I said, I had done customize a Luxe box, so I wasn't supposed to be, whatever. I've done explained it. So every single month we do get a theme to all of the boxes, and this month's theme is Bubbles and Glitz. Again, this box is $25 a month and plus tax, and you do customize one item. Let me go ahead and wait for you guys. Some of you guys said it's not gonna matter anymore as far as the weight of the box, and I don't feel like digging through emails to figure out what FedEx told me the weight was. So I'm gonna weigh it on my mail scale, which is 1 pound 2.3 ounces. So if you guys are curious, that is that on that. As far as the variation goes, on the back of the postcard you do see a little number with a heart. That's the variation of your box, and then of course it does have all the, so excited, all the information about the items in your box, the retail value, blah 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 blah. I have variation 46 and the item in here that I wanted so bad is this. This is the Artist Couture Caliente Palette. Okay, for like once in my life I actually trusted my gut. If you guys shop add-ons, that is like my jam. I get super excited about add-ons. This was available I think for 12 bucks during add-ons, and I was like, I'll take my chances, I'll see what's in my base box, and I didn't end up getting it. Oh my goodness. These are some bold colors. let's swatch. Okay, I've got a swatch. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I've never tried Artist Couture's their eyeshadows before. Holy crap, that's pigmented. So here's the thing. We all know I am insanely uncomfortable with colors. However, I do like to sometimes incorporate colors into my looks. Like today, I've got like a seafoam green on. Ooh. Oh, dang. That's like pigment. Oh, that's kind of, it's pink. Ooh, I mean, dang. Let me clean off my hands. That's like stuck. Okay, that's fine. So here's the thing. This bottom row is what I told you guys I was definitely more comfortable with, for sure. These are definitely more like outside my comfort zone, but outside in a comfortable manner. So the shimmers are gorgeous, and the mattes, I think the mattes are going to be really pretty as well. So I mean, it's not the best swatches in the world, but as we know, swatches don't tell the full story. This is so gorgeous. If I'm telling you, like, oh, deep tan. Ooh, that would be so pretty. But like I told you guys, when I was saying that I really wanted this palette, like really bad, I said I was really comfortable with this row, and I felt like I could make a very pretty look with that and incorporate some of these shades in here delicately. So I will definitely be doing that. Make sure to follow me over on, oh my gosh, these don't want to come off. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram, because I will definitely be doing that. I've been trying to be a bit better about posting like makeup looks over there, and then you guys said you want get ready with me's over here. I did just do, I don't know when this video is going up, so we'll say last week, a full face of nothing but Boxycharm 2020 items. There was a couple in there from maybe 2019, 2016, but overall, everything that was on my face and that very long get ready with me was all items that you could purchase at Boxy Pop-Up, Boxy Add-On, or they were in your Boxycharm Base, Premium, or Luxe boxes. Okay, so a little information about the Caliente Palette by Artist Couture. It does have a retail value of $30. Turn up the heat and get ready to feel the Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 creamy pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. I wonder if that's what this shade is. Maybe? I would say this is that is so pretty. It's like a really pretty, like peachy. I'm excited to play in this. So I would say they do appear to be pretty pigmented. These colors have been carefully curated to design a wearable, vibrant, and colorful look. Transform your eyes with a versatile glow getter approved palette. Like I said, you guys, I will be creating a look for you all over here. Now, it may not be with only this palette. I may incorporate, say, my Viseart neutral palette in there as well, but we're going to create some sort of look that I bet you that even if you're like me and you're not comfortable with crazy vibrant colors, you're going to wear the look. Okay, so the next item in here, I'm not gonna lie, you guys done freaked me out on this and I need to research it. The next item in here is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser. Now, I was really excited because I did receive this in PR. I used it. I did not throw it in my washer. I'll be honest with you guys, the little component here, I did not throw in my washer. The sponge is what I had been using and I loved it. I liked the quality of it. I thought that it worked really well, but I went and checked with what you guys said, and sure enough, this was available in add-ons, and it said it had some sort of cancer-causing agents in it, so I haven't used either one. Matter of fact, I need to clean my beauty space. It's sitting on my floor right here. Like, here's part of it right here. Like, that's where I'm at in life. The Peloton has taken over and I'm not in my beauty space as much as I used to be. So it's sitting there. I need to research because I need to know, what's the cancer causing part? Is it this little case part? Is it the sponge? What is it? Because I don't want to use it right now. It's got me scared. So it says it's non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and latex free. So that leads me to believe that maybe it's this plastic part. I don't know, y'all. I have no idea. I have no idea. So, like I said, I've not tried it, and in all honesty, I wash my beauty blenders by hand with like a special soap for them. So I think that it's cute, but maybe it's gimmicky. I don't know, because in all honesty, I just can't see throwing this in my washing machine. I was pretty excited about it, but now you guys got me scared. So this does have a retail value of $18. It's the first ever machine washable sponge, specifically formulated by the original makeup eraser. It features the same unique wash tech technology to erase makeup out of your sponge with a simple washing machine. I just don't know. Let me know what you guys know down below, because like I said, I used it. I like it. The sponge. I use the sponge, and it says it's cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, 100% vegan. So I don't know. Warning: cancer and reproductive harm. What the heck? P65 warning. What? It's got to be this plastic thing, right? I don't know. Okay, so moving right along. I didn't get the Glamnetics, guys, but I did get the OFRA banana powder, which I do have on today. Obviously not this one. This will now be back up. Here is my open box, because again, y'all, I'm just a mess. Here is the one I've been using. I actually did a video, actually it was in the Get Ready With Me. I used this and I actually really like it. I love the fact that it has that soft banana Laffy Taffy scent. Now again, some people may say it's super strong, but for me, your girl has sinus and allergy issues, so to me it's very softly scented. It's not overpowering. It doesn't irritate me whatsoever, and I do like it. It does say it does have some matte benefits or properties to it, and I have normal to dry skin and it works fine on me, no issues. It does have a retail value of $35. It's innovative matte powder. It's lightly banana scented, extremely versatile. You can use to conceal your dark under eye circles and set concealer and foundation, highlight, or even a matte eyeshadow. I have used it for all of that and I love it. As a matter of fact, I did set my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base today with this before I went in with the OFRA Cosmetics palette we're going to be seeing in our Boxycharm Premium Box for January 2021. Okay, so the next item in here is another item that I have been using since I received it in PR. This is the Ms Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I have it on today. I love this stuff. It does have a retail value of $49. It says reveal a soft lit from within glow with the illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. And I have been using this as a primer. I have not put it on top of my makeup, but I can tell you guys, this is really pretty just to use alone as just a radiant moisturizer. And like I told you guys in my Get Ready With Me, a little bit of the Tatcha Pearl and Moonlight is what I use to brighten underneath my eyes. And that's pretty much about it. And your skin looks gorgeous. Add like some natural, like mascara. I love the Wonder Beauty Mile High mascara for like a natural, I don't have makeup on but I got a smidge of makeup on, like I care just a smidgen. Perfect. I love this stuff. So anyways, that was the next item in the box. And then the last one that I see in this base box is by MAC. It's the Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Runaway Hit. It does have a retail value of $19. And I have to say, I did receive another matte MAC lipstick and it's actually really comfortable. And again, I really like the shades that they sent out because all the shades that I've received I really like. Like I said, it's very comfortable. It's more on the neutral side, or what I consider neutral for me. It's not bold and scary. So, and I have to say the matte is actually really comfortable. It doesn't like suck everything out, like the moisture out of your lips or anything like that. Let me go ahead, total everything up, and then I'll come right back and let you guys know the retail value of everything in this box. Okay guys, so again, this box is $25 for everything that you guys saw, and everything in here did come to a grand total of $151. So let's talk about my thoughts on this box. Was it worth it? And I just got lipstick all over myself. Was it worth it? In my opinion, it was definitely worth my $25. I'm very happy with it. Again, kind of concerned about this in particular, so let me know what you guys know. Like I said, I really like the sponge, and if it's just the actual component that is the issue, I can chuck that. I don't need that, but I really do like the sponge. Everything else in here, I am geeking out over this palette. I wanted it so bad, so I'm super excited to see it in this box. I think everything was definitely worth it. Like I said, I love this banana powder, and I love the Lms, which again, skincare benefits as well as a primer benefit to it. So overall, I think this was an excellent box. I am super happy with everything in here. Like I said, this is my paid for box, and I do use my daughter's names on here, so Boxycharm doesn't even know, because I've had some people make comments. I'm like, girl, I don't even use my real name. So anyways guys, let me know your favorite products in your base box. Have you received yours? I did just receive my paid for premium box as well, so I'll be uploading a video very soon. But anyways guys, let me know what your favorite item was, and don't forget, follow my daughter over on her channel, my second channel, and of course follow me over on Instagram so I stop nagging. My battery is flashing, so I shall shush. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.